Seja Imravurkar. Today I have discussed about the human reproductive system. The reproductive system is a complex network of organs and structure responsible for producing offspring. It's the difference between males and females, each having unique components and function. First one is the discuss about the male reproductive system. First one is testis. Testis is responsible for produce the sperm and hormones, mainly in testosterone, and it's located in the scrotum, which helps regulate the temperature. Then second one is the epididymis, a coil tube where sperm mature and are stored, in which then third one is the vas deferens. It's transport the sperms from the epididymis to the ejaculating duct. Then the seminal vesicles. It's produce a fluid that nourishes the sperms and make up a significant portion of semen. Then the prostate gland. It secretes a fluid that helps the protect and energy protect and the sperms. Then the bulbourethral gland. It is also known as Copper's glands. It's produce a pre-ejaculatory fluid that lubricates the urethra. The penis is the deliver the sperms into the female reproductive tract. It's contain erectile tissues that allows for erection. Then the urethra. It's the common passage for the urine and semen. And then they discuss about the female reproductive system. First one is the ovaries. Ovaries are produce the eggs, ova, and the hormones that is estrogen and progesterone. Each female is born with a finite number of eggs. Then the fallopian tube. It's transport the eggs from the ovaries to the uterus. Then fertilization typically occurs here. Then the uterus are the muscular organ that the houses and nourishes developing fetus, and it's the lining of endometrium, its thickness, each cycle in preparation for implantation. Then the cervix. Cervix are the lower part of the uterus that opens into the vagina. It's produce the mucus that varies in consistency throughout the menstrual cycle. Vagina are the muscular canal that serves as the birth canal and receive the penis during intercourse. Then the external genitalia, vulva. It includes the labia and the vaginal opening. Then they discuss about the menstrual cycle. The female reproductive systems undergoes a regular cycle that includes menstrual phase. Menstrual phase is the shading of the uterine lining if no pregnancy occur. Then the second one is the follicular phase, in which the follicles in the ovaries mature. One becomes the dominant follicle. Then third one is the ovulation. release of an egg from the dominant follicle, then the luteal phase, the rupture follicles transfer into the corpus luteum, uh, producing hormones to maintain the uterine lining. Discuss about the disorder of reproductive system. The common issue in the reproductive systems includes the first one is the menstrual disorder, irregular periods, PMS, endometriosis, then the second one is the STI, sexually transmitted infection can affect the reproductive health. Then the cancer, reproductive cancer such as prostate, uh, ovarian and the cervical cancer. Thank you.